Hello, this is a quick video for my IBM X3550 Model 5. What I wanted to do was I wanted to get the security bezel for this, and I was having a lot of trouble finding the original one for the 3550 Model 5. However, a little bit of research has found that the Lenovo thinks servers, the 1U versions, they're basically the same product, but under a different part number. So what I've done is I've ordered this particular one, which is actually for, I think it was the SR250 off the top of my head. I will check that. And hopefully I bought it off of Amazon, and the box was a little bit battered, but it's actually it's all actually okay. So just pull this out. So this is the security bezel. So there you go. As you can see, it's the 1U version of the one that's on the X3550 Model 5. It has the blue accents that all the IBM models used to have. So yeah, I'm just gonna go and just pop it on, see what it looks like. So we'll go to here. Down the bottom is my X3550 Model 5. So just going to make sure I get popped in. All that easy we do is one lug on one end and one lug on the other end. So the blue LED, the MikroTik switch probably doesn't help very much, but there it is, all fitted. And there's the one for the 3650 Model 5 as well. So there you go. Thank you for watching.